Hi, my name is Mbarute Ximbi Umunyeshuri. I live in Gisenyi, Rubavu, Western Province of Rwanda. I have received the challenge from Kwizera, the artist, the creator, and the craftsman who crafted Umwero for us. Kwizera challenged me and all of you to present to him his New Year wishes, writing what we have come to know so far from Umwero Kinyarwanda alphabet. For me today, I have accepted the challenge and I'm going to send to all of you my wishes, saying umwaka mushya muhire uzababera uw'amata n'ubuki muzaburye ntuzabare. Oh, this is too much. What would I write? Oh my gosh. Okay, let me go ahead and write to you and wish to you umwaka mushya muhire. I'll be putting the cam writing to you as I send my wishes. So I'll be using my pen and paper to write what I just want to wish for you, and that will be umwaka mushya muhire. Mugisha Kwizera is a craftsman, an artist, and the creator of Umwero Kinyarwanda alphabet, an alphabet style that has come to replace the Latin so far known way of writing languages. Okay, I will now go ahead and text to you my wishes as I type with my pen and paper, with my proper hand, wishing you a happy New Year word, a happy New Year to you, all my friends and the family, a happy New Year to all of you Rwandans, Africans, East Africans, South Africans, all of you, wherever you are in Zimbabwe, Zambia, whatever you are, I'm wishing you a happy New Year, and please help us make a prosperous, make a lightful New Year celebration too, Mugisha Kwizera, as we make this challenge viral. So I will go ahead and write down my wishes to you, or as I say, umwaka mushya muhire. I'll be using the pen and the paper as I use my hand writing way, and send my wishes to you, or wherever you are in Africa, East Africa, Rwanda, Burundi, Tanzania, DRC, wherever you are, and you feel like Umwero is for you. As we know, Umwero is for all the two languages speakers. So I wish you a happy New Year, happy prosperous one. So in Kinyarwanda we say umwaka mushya muhire kuri mwese muzawurye ntuzabarye. Let's go ahead. Umwaka okay, that is umwaka. Then we have mushya. Okay, mushya. All right, together. Then muhire. Muhire. Okay, kuri mwese. We go like kuri mwese. Kuri mwese. See? Then muzawurye ntuzabarye. Then we have muzawurye. We have muzawurye. Muzawurye ntuzabarye. It goes like ntuzabarye. Sorry with my A. Ntuzabarye. Okay. as simple as this. Now I'm done with my wishes. My wishes to you. We have like umwaka musha muhire kuri mwese muzawurye muzabarye. Ta-da!